Here we're asked to basically use subscript notation to break up the interval x is greater than 1 and less than 4 into 5 equal pieces. So the way that this is going to look, to have like a little visual here for us, is we're going from 1 to 4. And we're going to label those with subscript notation, saying like this is our x sub 0 and this is our x sub 5, because we're breaking it into 5 equal pieces. So a couple of ways to do this. Really, the easiest way for me is to figure out how much I need to go up by. So if I'm breaking something into equal pieces, it's just division. So since I'm going from 1 to 4, that's 3 units, right? So if I do 4 minus 1, and then I want to break that into 5 equal pieces, well, 4 minus 1 is 3, divided by 5 is 3/5. So that means it's going up by 3/5 every time, which is the same thing as 0.6. So whether you want it in decimals or fraction kind of depends on the problem. In this case, it doesn't really matter too much, but basically when I go ahead and draw this, or I break this up into its pieces, this is going to be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, hopefully that's 5 equal-ish pieces. And since it's going up by 0.6, I'm going to have this to be 1.6, this to be 2.2, then 3.8, 2.8 here, 2.8, 4, and then 4. So again, it's going up by 0.6 each time. And just to make sure that you're doing it right, like you should end at this number here if you were to add another 0.6 in this problem. So these all seem to be right. I'm going to label them as x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, and x sub 4. And so all these numbers has some sort of subscript notation attached to it, and that's going to help us for a future concept.